Hello, AP Stat students. So last time we did an example regarding mall hours, and we used a table of random digits to randomly select 8 stores to determine the hours they would like to stay open during the holiday season. And if you looked at the example in your notes, it took quite a bit of time to go through the random digits, every 2 digits, to come up with 8 stores. So there's another way we can do that using technology, and that's to use a random number generator. And the directions are on 4.1b, but I wanted to show you how you could do this on your graphing calculator. So the first thing we should do is reset our calculator random table. So you can put in your phone number. I'm going to put in the school phone number. And then, sorry, there we go. And then after you do that, you want to hit store, and then go to math, scroll right to probability, and then just hit random just to reset your calculator. So just hit enter, and then enter again. Okay, now let's do the store problem. So if we go to math, go to probability, and you have 2 options here, depending on what model calculator you have. So this new version has a really good one called random integer no repeat. So none of the integers repeat, and that's 8. But all the calculators should have a random integer. And so I'm going to show you the 5th one. And so if we wanted to do 20 stores total, our lower and upper bound would be 1 to 20. Now, if you did 0, 1 to 20, just like you would if you were using a random number table, and then you wanted 8 stores, so that would be your sample. Here's what would happen if you enter it exactly like you see it. Then you hit enter again. So it'll give you 8 numbers. But notice that you have a repeat 19, so you would have to run through this again. And notice the calculator doesn't care if you put 2 digits and call it 0, 1. So you don't have to specify that if you're describing how you chose your sample. But you would have to go again so that you wouldn't have a repeat. Doing it the same way using the other method, if you have a newer calculator, obviously you want to use number 8, random integer, no repeat, and then just do 1 through 20. And your sample size for that problem was 8 stores. And then you get 8 unique integers, and then you can select your stores that way. But I just want to show you that this is how you do it on a graphing calculator, and this will be something I will have used for our 4.1b notes, which I am going to show you here shortly. So that's the graphing calculator way to select a sample using a random number generator. Thank you.